Shouty! Yo, yo, yo! Got our hands on a 2015 CK Chevy High Country. She's loaded. She's got the 20 on her, boy. She looks yummy. Special edition rims for the High Country. Sitting on 20s. You got the crest on the side. You got the chrome pack. Right underneath the window frame, you got the mirror, the step. You got the nice line and the door handle. This one's got a little tint on the side. You do have the 6.5 box line. Big concern for those 15. They were bubbly. They were getting rusty, especially around the wheelbase. This one's got a little bit of a previous damage, but the cap corners are good, even if cancer seemed to be a little bit in there. Bear in mind, this is a unit from Quebec City. For my Canadian fellas out there who don't know, they spray a lot of salt on the street, so it's very hard on vehicle. You got the box liner, tonneau cover, soft. Backup camera. We did a little bit upgrade on this rig. Usually they get foggy, pretty easy to remove. Take up the tailgate and it's connecting right underneath the bumper. You do have the sensor for 2015, convenient. We did the upgrade for the LED on the backup light and on as well the cab lights. You got the back window. Very clean overall. Here and there, small little details, but I would say in this condition, it's quite hard to find. You got the nice color combo. It's two-tone, that dark brown leather that matches very well with the door frame, with that wood trim. It looks really good for a 15. You do have the High Country sign crest right in the entrance. This is power chair. Both side. You do have the trailer pack from manufacturer. You do have the two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, right? You got the memory seating inside. Couple of goodies for the USB. Like, sad to say, we're in 2016. It's now different already. And this is a nice aspect as well. You got the one tail in this thing. Okay, hold on to this because this is the beauty. 2015 with only 123,000 kilometers, averaging 14.1 on the highway combined with city driving. This one had the GPS, I believe. Anyway, and you got the cold seat, AC in the seat, and you also got heated cold seat with a nice feature of the steering wheel, hot steering wheel. You got the parking assist, right? You got the proximity for the pedal up and down. Nice console, lots of space with the sunroof. Like, even the dash has got that dark color. It looks really good. Slight beginning of a manifold, nothing unusual. Nothing too bad to be worried about. Direction, powertrain, engine, everything is pretty smooth. High on wheels, got our hands on a to be. I strongly believe that in a 10 to 15 years period, you're looking at a very big moneymaker classic truck. It's already 11 years old. Hard to see in the street in this condition, and as we get to 2030 and so forth, I believe that this will be bringing big money. High on wheels, love of cars.